Let's check now how Xlookup work. Like a new formula arrived in Excel. I just want to search for the amount in this given data, the profit and loss account I have taken for the last 10 years for a particular company. Okay, and here we have the sections in a profit and loss account. Here values we have for the different years we have. For example, I would like to search for a operating profit for a given year, that is nothing but the financial year 31st March. Financial year means 31st March only. So 2018 data I would like to extract for a given operating profit. So what I can do, I can write a XLOOKUP formula. We start with the XLOOKUP. I just bit and zoom in. Equal to XLOOKUP. First, we have to select a lookup value. Lookup value is nothing but a for which value, which one you are searching for. I'm searching for a operating profit, right? This is a key for a search. So I select that one, comma. Then lookup array. Lookup array is nothing but where exactly this is located in your data. In narration, it is located. So I just select that entire column, means where exactly I am checking for. That column I will select, comma, then return array. Return array is nothing but which column data you are searching for. I am searching for the 2018 data, so I will select that entire column 2018 column. Okay, comma. Here there is a one more additional thing has been given, which is not there in a vlookup. That is nothing but in case if it is not found, what to be written. We can write any numbers also directly, or we can write some text also, like we can write it in a double quote, like I just say invalid data. Okay, I just write like this, invalid data. So we can write anything in a double quote so that it will be written in case something else you have been selected. Then comma, match means exact match means 0, approximate match means 1. So we will go for the exact match, means exactly if it is there it will search. 1 means approximately, if it is there means near to the value operating profit is there, somewhere net profit also is there, it will looking as a nearest one if you go for a 1. So I just go for a 0 because exactly we need to search. Then comma, search order also we can write it here, like duplicate entries are there, then which order you would like to search, like first to last means it will search from the top. 1 means minus 1 means it will search from the bottom. In case two values are there, first it will select a bottommost value whichever it is available. Means binary search here, 2 means it is sorted ascending order, means largest to smallest to largest it will go. Otherwise it will go in a descending order, minus 2 if you select, means largest to smallest. First it will keep in a order, then it will select. So I will go for first to last, that is a 1 I selected. Then close the bracket, enter, you will get the answer. You can check that operating profit for 2018 is a like 16,520. It is coming, right? If I change here operating profit to the some other things, if I selected depreciation, I selected, it will just give the depreciation value for the 2018. But if I change here financial year from 2018 to 2022, if I change that one, we are not able to get the value here. Okay, how to modify to get the value for that one? Okay, how to modify that? Just we have to change the formula. The initial formula will be same. Here instead of selecting, we need to select here again, like manually we have to select, instead of 2018 column we have to select a 2022 column to be selected, okay, as a return array. So instead of selecting like that, what we will do, I just change that return array by replacing with the Xlookup formula again. I'm nesting a Xlookup formula, means writing again. Just what we will do, we will search for a which financial year I'm searching for, comma. Then it is asking lookup array. Lookup array is nothing but a that particular row we have to select, because there are so many financial years are there, which financial year we are looking for. So lookup array, I just select that particular row completely from narration, comma, then it is asking for the return array. Return array is nothing but complete data I will select, because for example it is matching with the 2022. 22, the complete column should be selected. That's the reason I'm just selecting a complete column here as a lookup return array. Then we can write a, if it is not found what to be returned, like 0, like that we can select, or we can write it as many, this much only. Then close the bracket. Then you can enter. You can see now it is selected depreciation for a 2022. If I change here financial year to the 2000 like 16, automatically it will change to depreciation of the, like depreciation for the 2020. In case if I change to tax for 2016, like 2016, tax will be shown. In case if I change to like 2020, it will show it for the tax for the 2020. Means completely we can use it as a like a replacement of the vlookup match also, or xlookup match also. No need to go for the xlookup or vlookup here. Just we have to search, like two things we have to select. One is a one lookup xlookup, just to search for the which row to be selected. Then second lookup x lookup we used just to select which column to be searched, and we have been done a validation, like in case there is any data is missing what to be written, and which search, like 0 means exactly I need to search, 1 means it will search from a top to bottom, like that. Like hope everyone understood how to use a x lookup in a Excel. This is the first tip in Excel tips. For more tips, please subscribe our channels, and please like, share, and comment. Thank you.